Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit urban style filter using Lightroom mobile. There are some examples photo before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First, go to Light. Bring the contrast plus 14, highlights 0, shadows plus 10, whites 0, blacks minus 10. And go to color. Bring the vibrance plus 60. Saturation minus 14. Go to color mix. First go to red color and bring the hue minus 9. Next go to orange. Hue plus 4. Saturation minus 20. Luminance plus 4. Go to yellow. Bring the hue minus 7. Saturation minus 100. Go to green. Bring the saturation minus 100. Go sky blue. Bring the saturation minus 100. Go to blue. Bring the saturation minus 100. Go to purple. Bring the saturation minus 100. Go to pink. Bring the saturation minus 100. And done. Next go to effects. Bring the clarity 5. Vintage minus 26. Midpoint plus 58. Feather plus 67. Go to split tone. And bring the hue plus 196. And saturation plus 13. For shadows. And done. Now go to details. Sharpening plus 32. Detail plus 20. And your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.